Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In this one I'm going to talk about the gaming mode features after the Android 13 and the Funtouch UI 13 update in the iQOO 9 device. Right now, as you can see, this is the iQOO 9 smartphone, and recently I did update my iQOO 9 device to the Android 13, as you can see, and which has got the Funtouch UI 13 as well right now, which is installed. And after that, I'm getting so many comments regarding this one particular topic that is there any changes happen in the game space? Can you please upload a video? And what are the different gaming modes which is available after Android 13? So that's what I'm going to discuss in this video on this iQOO 9. So let's find out what are the changes has been happened regarding the ultra game mode settings and what are the things you should know. And next upcoming videos, I'll definitely do the side-by-side comparison between Funtouch UI 12 and 13. There you might be able to see more difference what's going on. But at this moment, let's take a look. And one more thing, this iQOO 9 device which has got the pressure sensitive triggers, so which means if you try to long press on the home screen, that it will take you to the gain space. As you can see, this is what called the gain space. So for me, it is working 100% fine without any kind of issues. For example, on the home screen, that's it. It will try to take this gain space. So let me know in the comments, friends, because some of the users did mention that their gain space is not opening after long press like this. So which is a pressure sensitive triggers. So in this, you will get the same kind of interface, nothing much huge difference regarding the interfaces going on. Everything is pretty similar, and there you can actually find the game data interface as well, total duration. So I'm not playing much games in this iQOO 9 device. That's the reason you won't be able to see any kind of duration in the last 7 days. But if you need to scroll down, you can see the daily duration of 7 days. Nothing much has been changed here. It is exactly as it is when compared with the Funtouch UI 12 and Funtouch UI 13. 7 days back, and total duration you can see which game you played, how much time, as you can see all these details. So this is a kind of game space interface which has got, but there is another game space ultra game mode which is available in the settings option. This is called the ultra game mode. So even here we will be able to find some few settings which might be really helpful. So these are the actual settings for gamers. So there you can actually find the esports mode and all these options which are exactly as it is from the Funtouch UI 12. So there is nothing much new features added at this point in this segment. So everything is exactly as it is same. So you can see the gain dependence and game frame interpolation and everything. 4D vibration, nothing much has been changed here. You can enable, and you'll be getting the 4D vibration, shooting vibration and damage feedback as well. All of these options you can enable that. As you can see in the 4D vibration, that's kind of slightly good. And frame rate priority also you can give, and sound effects also available. These are the rest of the options. Now let's move into the actual exact ultra game mode which actually looks here. So these are the ultra game mode looks like, so which is completely familiar to the previous Funtouch UI 12. Nothing much has been changed in this position. I cannot see any kind of difference between the Funtouch UI 12 and 13. Exactly free to observe. So I was expecting some kind of change because the Origin OS in the Chinese variants, they do have slightly good options, but I thought they would have implemented in this Funtouch UI 13, but that's not the case. So everything is completely similar. So in the ultra game mode section, you won't be able to find any extra options available after the Funtouch UI 13 update. As you can see, exactly same options, same type of animations, and still there is no real-time FPS. So real-time FPS is the one which a lot of other UI they did try to implement, but Funtouch UI did not provide any kind of real-time FPS statistics that will be really helpful for a lot of other users as well, for the gamers especially, to track how consistent frame rates we're actually getting. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick walkthrough about the Funtouch UI 13, the ultra game mode and the game space in the iQOO devices. So very soon we might be expecting on the iQOO 9 SE and even iQOO Neo 6 and iQOO 7 as well. Very soon the Android 13 update will be rolling out. So stay tuned for those videos. And meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye.